Welcome to Study Loop.
Hi, here in this given problem there are three different media and their interfaces. So this interface is separating medium 1 from medium 2, then this is the second interface, this is the third interface. So here this is the first medium having absolute index of refraction n1, this is the medium 2 having absolute index of refraction n2, and finally here this is n3. n1 is equal to 1.60, n2 that is rarer in comparison to n1 having index of refraction as 1.40, and n3 this is 1.20 only, means this is the rarest, the third medium. Okay, now a ray of light is incident over here, okay, and then it will enter into the second medium having index of refraction n2 which is rarer, so it should go away. So if we draw a normal over here, the ray of light will go away from the normal, and finally it is undergoing TIR, total internal reflection here. So this angle theta we have to find, provided this angle here that is equal to critical angle. So in the first part of the problem, for the refraction from medium 2 to medium 3, critical angle will be given by 1 by refractive index of medium 2 with respect to medium 3 and 2 by n3, means it will be given by n3 by n2, means this is 1.20 divided by 1.40 comes out to be equal to 0.857. So critical angle here that will be given by sine inverse of 0.857, this critical angle, and it is calculated to be equal to 58.99 degree, or approximately this is equal to 59 degree. So if this angle is 59 degree, this angle will also be 59 degree using alternate interior angle. So this angle of refraction for medium 2 that will be given by 90 degree minus 59 degree, means this is 31.0 degree. So now for the refraction, from medium 1 to medium 2 using Snell's law, sine theta divided by sine r is equal to n2 by n1, means this is sine theta divided by sine 31.0 degree is equal to n2 1.40 divided by 1.60. So sine theta comes out to be equal to 0.451. So theta will be given by sine inverse 0.451, means this theta is 26.8 degree. Answer for the first part of this given problem here. Okay, now in the second part of the problem, part B, on increasing this angle theta, it is obvious that angle of refraction in medium 2 that will also increase. So angle of incidence for medium 2 to medium 3, when the ray of light is passing from medium 2 to medium 3, that angle of incidence will reduce, means it will become less than the critical angle. Hence we can say, now the ray of light will refract into medium 3. Thank you.